because this style we are going to use again and again for our another 3 images. We don't want to copy and paste them in all of the sections. So what we can do, we can make a function and we can pass the parameter inside this function and we can call them inside our class or ID. Okay, let's see how to make a function. It is very simple. Just write @Mixin, name of your function, that will be set background, and because we want to pass parameter, that is why I am giving this parenthesis. Now just copy all of the properties, cut all of the properties and paste it in here. Now a height, make sure you give an $sign. This will be height, $, width, and $bg. This will be background image. Replace with height and $height. This weight will be $weight, and this one will be bg. Because we want these 3 properties same for the all 4 images, so we are not going to change them. Let's be it. Now instead of writing all of the code here, we are just going to include this set background. Just write @include set background and pass the parameter. Height was 100% and width was 100% and bg was url // image Japan. Save it. Once again run the page. It should be same as previous. Now next we are going to style for our menu. For now we will have to set some variables. Let's set a variable for gradient, linear gradient, and value will be to bottom. We want to make it from bottom to top. First value will be hash 0a00 to c00. Second value will be, copy this and paste it here with d. Replace 0 with d, and the last value will be hash 0a00 to c, and this color opacity will be 15%, and this color opacity will be 85%. If you don't know how to use gradient linear color, you can search on W3 School. That is very good website to learn CSS and HTML. We can use this gradient color inside our style because we have included this variables file. Okay, before that let's nest our menu by using this Sass file. We can nest our property. This is the ID inside whole body image. You can see this whole body image. We have whole body color. We can nest it like this. Okay, like this. Take it from here and paste it here, because this menu is inside our whole body color and we want to change whole body color to gradient color. Background copy this variable and paste it here. Okay, here I made a mistake. This gradient spelling is wrong. I always miss. Now when you reload the page, you can see this effect. This color is coming from bottom to top. Okay,